We find ourselves here on the floor at 9 o'clock this evening attempting to debate a bill that's going nowhere, that has been issued by the president, a veto message. We're here debating again about whether or not we are putting our taxpayers and Main Street and our small businesses at risk, going back to some of the same tactics, some of the same ways that were used by the banks that brought us to the point of a recession, almost a depression. Somehow in this short period of time, we have forgotten what happened in 2008. We have forgotten about how many businesses were destroyed. Small businesses were destroyed. We've forgotten how many elderly folks lost money in their 401ks. We've forgotten how many homes were foreclosed on. We have forgotten about how we brought this country to the brink of a disaster. And so let me just say, Dodd-Frank is an attempt for reform, and it's not even a tough reform. As a matter of fact, many of us consider it rather mild. But we have, on this side of the aisle, been fighting day in and day out in our committee to try and just see the implementation of Dodd-Frank rather than the destruction of an attempt to reform an industry that caused great harm to this society. And so with that, Mr. Chairman and members, I will yield back the balance of my time.
The gentlewoman from California yields back the balance of her time.